Okay, I was exploring a theory. Um, it's for an alternative way of doing relativity that didn't lose simultaneity. Now, I'm not sure if it actually works mathematically, works out that way, but it came up with a cool concept. And it's this. I'll just draw a very simple version of it. It's this. So it's basically, it's if you travel in one direction, the distance is longer than if you travel in the other direction. Or if you travel in one direction, the distance is faster than if you travel in the other direction. So it basically, if you're on the train and the lightning bolt hits both sides at the same time, it has a shorter distance to travel from left to right than it does from right to left. So that was one of my ideas for relativity, that without the loss of simultaneity. The other idea was that you can play with the distances, so, and the times and things like that, and you can create ones that are. It only takes like a millimeters or say a footstep width to travel 1,000,000 miles in one direction, but then you have to travel 1,000,000 miles to get back to that other direction, or even infinite miles. So you could only ever travel in one direction, or vice versa. The amount of time it would take you to travel in one of those directions would be infinite, and near zero in the other direction. Um, the other idea that kind of plays in with was the idea of one-way dimensions, or half dimensions, I used to call them. I actually came up with them when looking at uh, what a flat Mobius strip would look like in flat space. So no matter which direction you moved in, you were always moving in one direction in the flat Mobius space. You could also have distance that works like that. So if you could try to go backwards, you also go forwards. You could call that diode distance. So that was another one of the ideas, was that one way or half dimensions, is a half dimension is something that you can only go one way in. There's no backwards in that dimension, so the backwards doesn't exist. So if you look at the past and treat time as a one-way dimension, all of the past is simultaneous with you now instead of being in the past. So that's the simple concepts anyway that I was looking at for that. The next video, I have to go get dinner, so the next video will come after that. I have to cover ghost matter, anti-space, which might be a form of ghost matter, or anti-ghost matter, connectual, interdimensional hyperspace, universal house, universal education, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much covers everything I'm going to do tonight, video-wise. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.